Thanks to this certified special solution for drinking water applications, I can enjoy my water without any worries. Whether cold or warm, Hello, my name is Thomas Rosanelli. Today I am presenting a specially manufactured TPE film hose with injection molded sockets on both ends. It was developed specifically for drinking water applications in the caravan sector. The hose with metal spiral was developed to connect drinking water storage tanks to each other. The installation situation was extremely complicated. Our customer had very little space for installation and there were repeated leaks at the supports. This resulted in a high level of effort during assembly and affected the reliability of the system. Our solution, a KTW-compliant hose for hot and cold water with injection molded sleeves on both ends that fit precisely. Robust, convenient and quick clamp fastening secures the plasticizer-free, UV-resistant hose and ensures permanent leak tightness as well as reliable pressure buildup. This hose development demonstrates how we are able to find practical solutions even under challenging conditions. And most importantly, our customer saves a lot of money and time during the assembly of the hose system compared to the old solution. Let's discuss your specific requirements in detail for various hoses and connecting elements, together with a refreshing drink.